Hey, this is Cheryl Traxler, starting out with some gorgeous beauty. Appreciate for my day. There is our mountain, and here's the beautiful water that goes under the bridge. I live on an island, and this is my view. I'm just loving it. Just wanted to start the day out when I'm working from home, just in taking all the beauty, keep myself upbeat and happy and thankful is what I like to do. And I'm working from home with the Impact Mailing Club, and this is what I'm enjoying on this day. Hey, I'm back home looking over my deck at the view I showed you at the beginning of the video with the water and the mountains in the background. You can see that big mountain right there behind me, and I'm just enjoying and uplifting, watching the beauty I have and staying positive, focusing on the good things, and of course counting my blessings that I can be home with my family. And actually just got home from Florida and just got in under the wire because they upgraded the security for the everybody coming in was going to be quarantined, and I just got in 15 minutes before that started to happen. So I'm very thankful to be home, to be on my deck, to be able to go out and show you what's below my deck, a little piece of it, and I will continue to do that. And just thankful so much for this day. I'm planning my day with gusto, excited about the beauty. Such a good, peaceful, quiet place. I do work from home, so that is what I'm working on, and I'm excited to be able to share this with you and to inspire you and uplift you, and hopefully have a better day, a good day, as we go through this coronavirus thing where everybody seems to be on lockdown, and those that aren't are the heroes that are out there helping people, the nurses, the doctors, and the truck drivers, and all those people that are helping keep things going as we wait for this virus to slow down and go away. So I just wanted to look at that gorgeous blue, beautiful day. And I'm going to be working on my business with the Impact Mailing Club. It's a simple, easy thing to do at home, and I'm just thankful I have it. You mail letters, connect with people, people connect with you, people want to earn extra income, earn full-time at home, you know, and then I do a little bit on Facebook with a fan page, so I invite you to that too. I'm going to have the links in the bottom of my video so you can connect and see what's going on, see if you can check it out, if that sounds like something you'd want to do while you're stranded at home, or maybe you want to be home ultimately and you'd like to do that as well. So I just wanted to say hey from Alaska. It's good to be back, and thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Bye.